Welcome back to Top Trending Health News Scoop. Let's talk about a recipe that is chock full of vitamins. This vitamin drink aims to give your body a much-needed boost. Before we continue, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, be sure to click any links in the description to get more in-depth information about topics or products discussed. First, you'll need 1 fresh beetroot. Beetroot is not only vibrant in color but also packed with essential nutrients. It has an anti-inflammatory effect, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote overall health. Next, we have 1 carrot. Carrots are not just crunchy and delicious, they are also rich with vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision, boosting the immune system, and promoting healthy skin. Including these vegetables in your diet can provide numerous health benefits and add a burst of color and flavor to your meals. Now, let's start with the basics. The ingredients can be peeled and cut for easier blending at your discretion. Grind the beetroot and carrot in a blender. Add some water to help blend the ingredients smoothly. Next, add ginger. Ginger is not only a flavorful addition, but also has numerous health benefits. It improves digestion, reduces nausea, and can even help fight the flu and common cold. Moving on, add parsley. Parsley is a powerhouse of nutrients. It improves appetite and helps remove excess salt from the body, which can be beneficial for those with high blood pressure. Parsley is also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and can help support bone health and boost the immune system. Next, add tomatoes. Tomatoes are low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. They are also packed with antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Additionally, tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Add 70 milliliters of water and whisk in the blender until you achieve a smooth consistency. Pour the mixture into a strainer until all of the juice is extracted into a bowl. Pour into a cup and enjoy. This mixture is not only nutritious but also delicious. It's a perfect way to start your day or to enjoy as a refreshing snack. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, and this blend is a great example of that. Enjoy your healthy homemade blend. Remember, it's always important to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement or health regimen. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs and conditions. Our vitamin drink is now ready for you to enjoy. Packed with essential nutrients and designed to support your overall well-being, it's a great addition to a balanced diet. Stay proactive about your health and make informed choices. We hope this drink helps you feel your best every day. Be healthy, stay active, and take care of yourself. This video is for informational purposes only. Comment, share, and subscribe to Top Trending Health News Scoop to see more videos like this. Again, if there are links in the description, click them to learn more about health-related products. Until next time.